Esports is kind of competitive gaming. Think about like you have FIFA, you have NBA. Esports is just a term to qualify competitive gaming.
I've never really played video games like that, so I definitely did learn how to handle the controller in general, and the controllers for the Nintendo Switch games as well.
I learned briefly about how esports tournaments work because I've heard them, but never actually bothered to learn how they work. It's honestly pretty interesting.
My first time playing this game, so I really learned what really Smash Bros. Is actually. Yeah, it's my first tournament actually. Yeah.